Videocast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Wednesday after risk appetite rebounded following comments from Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke, which indicated he favored continued quantitative easing to help stimulate the economy. The greenback ended the day at 1.3134 to the euro and 92.21 to the yen. The highlights of today's data include initial jobless claims and fourth quarter GDP revisions, which are expected to show a 0.5% rise. Next to the euro. The euro recovered after a surprisingly well-received Italian debt auction eased inconclusive election concerns and led to a rebound in risk appetite. The single currency ended the day at 1.3134 to the dollar and 121.12 to the yen. Eurozone CPI headlines the calendar today with no change from the current 2% headline figure expected. British pound. The pound recovered slightly on Wednesday after BOE official Charlie Bean provided the antidote to his colleague Paul Tucker's dovish views on Tuesday, saying it was highly unlikely the BOE would adopt zero interest rates in an effort to boost lending, as Tucker had said. Sterling ended the day at 1.5158 to the dollar and 139.75 to the yen. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Wednesday after a drying up of safety flows following a well-received Italian debt auction, which eased Eurozone concerns. A drop in industrial production data may also have weighed. The yen ended the day at 92.21 to the dollar and 121.12 to the euro. Today's data includes CPI in January, which is expected to show an even deeper fall into negative territory. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3065 with targets at 1.3165 and 1.3205 in extension. Below 1.3065, which will look for further downside with 1.303 and 1.301 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.511 with targets at 1.522 and 1.528 in extension. Below 1.511, which will look for further downside with 1.507 and 1.504 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 91.8 with targets at 92.75 and 93.1 in extension. Below 91.8, which will look for further downside with 91.55 and 91.1 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.